Welcome to our exclusive review of the ultimate luxury SUV. Today we are looking at this striking custom gold Lexus SUV concept that redefines street presence and premium automotive design. We will cover its complete exterior design, high-end interior features, performance capabilities, expected pricing, and the global markets where this vehicle dominates. Let us start directly with the aggressive exterior design of this vehicle. The front fascia features an incredibly massive Lexus spindle grille with vertical chrome slats that give it an imposing stance. The sharp LED headlights are integrated with signature daytime running lights that flow seamlessly into the heavily sculpted front bumper. The bright metallic gold paint finish contrasts sharply with the gloss black aerodynamic lower body kit and wide front splitter. Moving to the side profile, this SUV showcases a muscular and elongated bodyline. The wheel arches are aggressively flared and painted in matching gold with gloss black trim pieces. It sits on massive multi-spoke custom black alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires. The side steps are integrated into the black side skirts to improve aerodynamics and ease of entry. The windows are heavily tinted and framed with blacked-out pillars to create a cohesive floating roof effect. Looking at the rear design, the vehicle maintains its powerful look. The signature Lexus L-shaped LED taillights are connected by a sleek black trim piece across the tailgate. A prominent roof-mounted spoiler is positioned at the top of the rear glass to enhance stability. The lower rear bumper features an aggressive black diffuser with integrated dual exhaust tips that give it a highly sporty finish. Now we will discuss the premium interior comfort and high-tech features of this luxury vehicle. The cabin is lined with the finest premium leather upholstery, featuring gold contrast stitching to match the exterior. It offers a 3-row seating configuration with ventilated heating and massaging functions for both front and second-row captain chairs. A massive panoramic sunroof extends across the entire roof to provide an open and airy feeling inside the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a 14-inch high-definition touchscreen infotainment system. This system includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced navigation system. Drivers get a fully digital instrument cluster alongside a crisp head-up display that shows critical driving data. The entertainment is powered by a premium Mark Levinson 21-speaker surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. Safety and driver assistance are handled by the latest Lexus safety system. This includes pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. The vehicle also features blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree panoramic view camera for effortless parking. An adaptive variable suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions to provide a perfectly smooth ride. Let us talk about the engine performance and powertrain options. Under the hood, this premium SUV is powered by a high-performance 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. This engine generates a massive 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The power is delivered through a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission to a permanent 4-wheel drive system. It also features multiple drive modes including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, allowing the driver to customize the performance. Now we will look at the pricing of this high-end luxury vehicle. Since this represents a top-tier custom luxury concept based on the Lexus LX and GX platforms, its price is highly premium. The base price for a standard luxury model starts around $90,000. However, with this specific custom gold paint job, wide body kit, upgraded wheels, and full interior modifications, the estimated price ranges between $130,000 to $150,000 depending on personalization. Finally, let us discuss the global countries where this specific type of vehicle is most popular and widely driven. This large luxury SUV sees its highest sales and demand in North America, specifically in the United States and Canada, where buyers prefer large, powerful family haulers. It is also incredibly popular in Middle Eastern countries like the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, due to its excellent dune handling capability and high status. Additionally, it has a rapidly growing market among premium car enthusiasts in China and Japan. In conclusion, this custom gold Lexus SUV successfully combines extreme luxury with an aggressive and unforgettable design. It offers top-of-the-line technology, immense power, maximum comfort, and a massive road presence that makes it a true masterpiece. Thank you for watching our